In the vast green canopies of Central and South America, a remarkable little creature makes its home. This is the Capuchin monkey, a primate known for its cleverness and lively spirit. Scientists place them in the genus Sapajus for the robust tufted Capuchins, and Cebus for the more slender, gracile, or untufted Capuchins. These two groups represent a fascinating divergence in the primate family tree, each perfectly adapted to its own niche within the sprawling tropical forests. They are a common sight, yet their lives are filled with extraordinary complexity and intelligence, making them one of the most studied and admired monkeys in the New World. The name Capuchin has a rather interesting origin, one that connects these monkeys to human history. It comes from the Capuchin friars, a group of Franciscan monks established in 16th century Italy. These friars wore simple brown robes with large pointed hoods that covered their heads. When European explorers first encountered these monkeys, they were struck by the dark fur on their heads, which resembled these cowls. The monkeys' dark caps standing out against their lighter bodies reminded them of the friars, and so they were named Capuchins, a name that has endured for centuries. These monkeys are incredibly adaptable, thriving in a wide range of environments across the Americas. You can find them from the dense, humid rainforests of the Amazon basin to the drier, more seasonal forests of countries like Brazil, Costa Rica, and Argentina. Their ability to survive in both primary and secondary forests, and even in areas near human settlements, speaks to their resilience. They spend most of their lives high up in the trees, a world of branches and vines where they are most comfortable. This arboreal lifestyle shapes every aspect of their existence, from how they find food to how they avoid predators. Physically, Capuchins are relatively small primates, but what they lack in size, they make up for in agility. A typical Capuchin weighs between 3 and 9 pounds, with a body length of about 12 to 22 inches. One of their most useful features is their long prehensile tail. This tail acts like a fifth limb, helping them to balance as they leap through the treetops and providing a secure anchor while they forage for food with their hands. Their fur comes in shades of brown, cream, and black, and their expressive, intelligent faces are almost human-like, inviting curiosity and a sense of connection. The Capuchin monkey possesses one of the most brilliant minds in the animal kingdom, often compared to that of a great ape. Their intelligence is not just a matter of curiosity, it is a vital tool for survival. They have a remarkable capacity for learning and problem-solving, which allows them to overcome daily challenges in their complex forest environment. This cognitive prowess is evident in how they navigate their social world, find and process food, and even learn from one another. Scientists are continually amazed by their ability to think through problems and devise novel solutions, showcasing a level of thinking that is rare among non-human animals. One of the most stunning examples of their intelligence is their sophisticated use of tools, a behavior once thought to be exclusive to humans. In Brazil, tufted Capuchins have been observed using heavy stones as hammers to crack open tough palm nuts. They carefully select the right stone for the job and place the nut on a large, flat rock that serves as an anvil. This is not a simple, instinctive act. It is a learned skill passed down through generations. Young monkeys watch their elders intently, practicing for years before they master the technique, demonstrating a clear culture of knowledge transfer within their groups. Their problem-solving skills extend far beyond cracking nuts. In controlled experiments, Capuchins have shown they can understand cause and effect and even cooperate to achieve a common goal. For instance, researchers have designed tasks where two monkeys must pull separate ends of a rope at the same time to bring a tray of food within reach. The Capuchins quickly learn to coordinate their actions, waiting for their partner to be ready before pulling. This demonstrates not only intelligence, but also a grasp of teamwork and patience, essential skills for life in a highly social group. The learning ability of Capuchins is truly lifelong. They are constantly exploring their environment, testing new food sources, and discovering new techniques. This inquisitive nature means they can adapt to changes, such as the introduction of new types of food or shifts in their habitat. Their memory is also impressive, as they can remember the location of hundreds of different fruit trees and the seasonal cycles of when they will be ripe. This mental map of their territory is crucial for ensuring a steady supply of food throughout the year, highlighting how their intelligence is woven into the very fabric of their survival. Capuchin monkeys are highly social creatures, living in groups that can range from 10 to over 30 individuals. These groups are complex societies with a clear social hierarchy, usually led by a dominant alpha male. The alpha male has preferential access to food and mates, but his position comes with the responsibility of defending the group from predators and rival monkey troops. Life within the group is a constant interplay of alliances, rivalries, and cooperation. The social bonds formed are incredibly important, providing safety in numbers and opportunities for learning from more experienced members of the troop. Communication is key to holding the group together, and Capuchins have a diverse repertoire of calls, gestures, and facial expressions. They use high-pitched screams to warn of aerial predators like eagles, and different barks to signal the presence of ground-based threats such as jaguars. These specific alarm calls allow the group to respond appropriately to different dangers. They also communicate through subtle gestures, like raising their eyebrows to threaten a rival or smacking their lips as a sign of friendliness. This rich and nuanced communication system is the glue that maintains their intricate social structure. When it comes to food, Capuchins are omnivores with a very broad and flexible diet. Their main source of nutrition comes from fruits and nuts, but they are opportunistic feeders who will not pass up a chance for other tasty morsels. They actively hunt for insects, lizards, frogs, and even small birds, using their quick hands and sharp minds to catch their prey. They have also developed clever foraging techniques, such as rubbing hairy caterpillars on a branch to remove irritating spines, or tapping on branches to locate insect larvae hidden beneath the bark. This dietary flexibility is a major reason for their widespread success. The charm and intelligence of Capuchins have not gone unnoticed by humans, leading to their frequent appearance in popular culture. They have been featured in numerous films and television shows, often portrayed as mischievous but lovable companions. Beyond entertainment, their cognitive abilities have led to them being trained as service animals for people with disabilities. In this role, they can perform tasks such as fetching objects, turning on lights, or opening bottles, providing a remarkable level of assistance and companionship. This unique partnership highlights the profound connection that can exist between humans and these clever primates. Despite their adaptability, Capuchin monkeys face significant threats to their survival, primarily from human activities. The relentless destruction of their forest habitat for logging, agriculture, and urban expansion is the most pressing danger. As their forests shrink, monkey populations become fragmented and isolated, making it difficult for them to find food and mates. They are also hunted for bushmeat or captured for the illegal pet trade, which puts immense pressure on wild populations. While some species of capuchin are still widespread, others are now considered near threatened or even critically endangered due to these accumulating pressures. Fortunately, conservation efforts are underway to protect these remarkable monkeys and their homes. Many capuchin populations live within national parks and protected reserves, which offer a sanctuary from habitat loss and hunting. Conservation organizations work with local communities to promote sustainable practices and reduce human-monkey conflict. Scientific research is also crucial, as studying their behavior, genetics, and population dynamics helps to inform effective conservation strategies. Protecting capuchins means protecting the entire forest ecosystem, as they play a vital role in seed dispersal, which helps to regenerate the forest. Beyond the daily struggles for survival, capuchins exhibit some truly fascinating and unique behaviors. One of the most peculiar is a practice known as anointing, where they vigorously rub certain substances into their fur. They might use pungent plants, citrus fruits, or even millipedes, crushing them and smearing the juices all over their bodies. Scientists believe this behavior may serve as a natural insect repellent to ward off mosquitoes and ticks, or it could have social significance within the group. It remains a captivating example of their innovative problem-solving abilities. Finally, their social interactions reveal even more curious habits. Capuchins have been observed engaging in what appears to be a form of social tradition, such as poking each other's eyes or sniffing each other's hands. These behaviors seem to have no practical purpose but are passed around the group like a fad, strengthening social bonds through shared quirky rituals. These small, intimate moments give us a glimpse into the rich cultural lives of these monkeys. They remind us that the forest is not just a collection of trees, but a complex society of intelligent beings, each with its own story to tell.